They drove a bulldozer through the wall of the Millennium Dome at 6 in the morning. They smashed the cases. They grabbed what they believed was the Millennium Star, a 203-carat flawless diamond worth 200 million pounds. And every single stone they touched was fake. Scotland Yard had been inside this crew for months. Undercover officers dressed as cleaning staff were already positioned across the floor. The real gems had been quietly removed and replaced before the thieves ever set foot inside. The robbery happened exactly as planned. Just not the robbery, the criminals thought they were running. This is what makes the Dome heist so unsettling. It was the most technically ambitious diamond theft ever attempted in the United Kingdom, and it was also, from the very first second, a controlled performance. The thieves executed everything perfectly and stole absolutely nothing, which raises a harder question. If a crew could get that close to the Millennium Star, how safe are the world's most valuable gems right now? Follow Dignity Jewels if you want the answers the industry won't give you.